Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Stay home, stay safe. We have done equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios means that ratios are equal if we divide or multiply the simplest ratio by any number and get another ratio. Today our topic is equivalent ratios, page number 109, question number 2. Let's start our lesson. Equivalent ratios, page number 109, question number 2 is that Raju bought some fruits. He bought apples, 4 apples, 8 mangoes and 12 oranges. He bought these fruits and now he is interested to find the ratio of number of apples to the number of mangoes to the number of oranges. So the ratio of number of apples to the number of mangoes will be, as you can see, there are 4 apples, so 4. Number of mangoes are 8 and total oranges are 12. So the ratio of the fruits bought is 4:8:12. Now he packed the fruits into bags of 2. What he did, he put 2 fruits in a bag. So for apples, he made 2 bags. Similarly, for mangoes, he made how many bags? Yes, he made 4 bags. And for oranges, he made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. He made 6 bags. Now, he is interested to write the ratio of bags when there are bags of 2 fruits. You can see in the picture that for apples, when he packed 2 fruits in a single bag, total number of bags for apples are 2. So bags for apples are 2. Similarly, bags for mango are 4 and number of bags for oranges are 6. Now Raju has changed his mind and he is interested to make bags of 4 fruits. Now he packed all the 4 apples in one bag. So 4 fruits in one bag. So for apples, the number of bag is 1. We can write 1. Here we have 8 mangoes. When 4 mangoes are placed in one bag, we get total 2 bags for mangoes. Similarly, for oranges, there are 12 oranges. When 4 oranges are packed in one bag, Raju get 3 bags of oranges. Now, if you can observe the first ratio in which we compared the number of fruits, apples, mangoes and oranges, we get 4:8:12. Then he put 2 fruits each in a bag. And the ratio of bags we get was 2:4:6. Now compare these two ratios. If we divide 4 by 2, we get 2. If we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. And if we divide 12 by 2, we get 6. So after dividing 4:8:12 by 2, we get 2:4:6. Similarly, if we divide again this ratio by 2, we get 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. So from the very first ratio to the final ratio, we divide the numbers. So all these three ratios are called equivalent ratios because we get the final ratio by dividing the initial or the first one ratio. Again, our today's topic is equivalent ratios, and we have done that Raju has bought some fruits. First ratio is for the number of fruits, 4 ratio 8 ratio 12. Then he packed 2 fruits in a bag and find the ratio of bags. Here we get 2 bags for apple, 4 bags for mangoes and 6 bags for oranges. Then he changed his mind and packed 4 fruits in a bag, and he got the ratio as 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. If you observe, we divide the first ratio by 2 and get the second ratio. When we divide the second ratio by 2, we get the third ratio, that is 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. Now all these ratios are called equivalent ratios. This is all for today. Students, you have to practice question number 2 given on page number 109. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.